So in this episode we're gonna cover top joint bolt replacement. So we got arm off because we're changing all arm, but like on video purpose we're gonna be working on this. So we got circular clip, we're gonna get it off. It's easy peasy. This doesn't look good. Just wanna move at all. That's nice. Let's get another one. And it's not moving at all. Okay. How the fuck we need to get this off? Okay, I got some kind of socket. Let's try to take the bolt on the top. And press it out. Okay, start moving down slowly. And replace the sides. Yeah, just first move is really hard. And then just popping out easy. That's our ball joint, top one. Okay, this gonna go back in here with this. So we got new ball joint and the new arm. So that's gonna go like that. So we want a ball joint go from the bottom to the top. Now it's a bit more interesting because I need to find the socket which fits on there and it's not gonna damage the rubber. A size 36 it is. Okay. Okay, let's try that. Now where's the one go? Yeah, that's a bit too... Okay, let's get rid of that. Yeah. It's going slowly. Alright, now we need to release because I'm not sure of the... Oh, this one, alright. What we got here? 1 1/4 fits perfect on the bottom. Okay, let's get all this all the way in. Okay, a little bit more. Extra 5 bars on the top, make sure it sits everything inside. So yeah, rubber all good, didn't damage anything. Gonna put circular clip back. Okay, that's our joint bolt replacement, first one. Okay, that's about this video.